And your husband, he is in the ad industry. He's a director, right? Tell me something about your relationship. Describe your relationship.
We have, what can I say? I mean, like I said, I found a companion and a friend and a guide, everything together in him, and I could not have asked for anything better. And we met, it was very long back. We've been married for 20 years now. It seems
Wow.
like a lifetime. And we've now gotten used to each other. So that's how it is. But yeah, talking about his, we met because we were shooting for a commercial together. I was
Okay.
the model and he was the director, and then things happened. But all said and done, it's been so wonderful, and we try not working together because it's always very complicated. You have a lovely life partner and you work
Yes.
together, which is
Yes.
so amazing. And I think y'all are like a strong team making
Team.
this beautiful show happen.
Yeah.
And he's always there,
Yes.
having your back,
Yes.
which is beautiful. But we kind of keep our work separate because then when we come back home, then we can talk about what we
Yeah.
separately do, and it's got its own beauty in that
Yes.
sense.
Yes.
But the good thing I like is, even when it comes to his work, I like the fact that he will always come and show his films to me first before it is finalized. Ki, tell me, what do you think about it? कुछ मुझे कुछ दिख जाएगा एक क्रिएटिवली कुछ मुझे एक पॉइंट एंड ही ऑलवेज अक्नॉलेजेस दैट एंड अच्छा मैं देखता हूँ हाउ वी कैन फिक्स दैट सो ही आई लाइक हाउ ही टेक्स माई ओपिनियंस ऑल्सो एंड आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स बीइंग फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव फील्ड टुगेदर आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव साइड ही इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव साइड तो हमारे डिस्कशंस काफ़ी उस तरह के होते हैं वी आर नेवर बोर्ड ऑफ टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर मुझे लगता है उस चक्कर में हमारे दोस्त भी कम है क्योंकि हम आपस में इतना बातें कर रहे थे तो बहुत ही गिने चुने बहुत स्पेशल फ्रेंड्स हैं हमारे बट हम उनके साथ खुश हैं
But I think that's the beauty of a relationship of a husband and a wife.
Yes.
कि अगर आप एक दूसरे से बोर ही नहीं होते हो तो है ना
there's
उससे
never
अच्छा
a
क्या हो
dull
सकता है?
moment
Yeah. Yeah.